I know what is in your mind. This is not Egusi soup. Hi everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this recipe. I am sharing with you how to make pumpkin seed soup. I'll start by adding meat inside the pot. I'm using goat meat, beef stripes. You can use any meat of your choice for this recipe. I'll season with onions, season powder, salt, and stir. I'll cover and leave the meat to cook on a medium to low heat for 10 minutes without adding water. Next, I'll add hot water to the stockfish. Cover and leave it to soak. You can even soak it overnight if you want it to be very soft. To the dry fish, I'll add salt, hot water. I'll wash and debone the dry fish off camera. And this is the dry fish after cleaning it. It's been 10 minutes. I'll add water to the meat and stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook. I'll be using bell peppers, habanero peppers, onions. I'll clean and blend. The meat is been cooking now for some time. I'll add the stockfish. You can even start cooking the meat in the beginning with the stockfish as well. Add the blended peppermints, red palm oil, grounded crayfish, seasoned powder, and stir. Cover and leave it to keep cooking until the meat is about 80% done. This is pumpkin seeds. I'm using raw pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are very healthy and delicious. This is the best alternative to egusi if you don't have egusi where you live. I'll transfer it inside the blender. Cover the blender. And blend it to be smooth. You can use a dry grinder to grind it as well. I'll transfer the blended pumpkin seeds inside the bowl. I'll be using 1 medium-sized onions. I'll add water and blend. Add the blended onions. Mix it to get a paste. If the paste is too thick, add a little bit of water. The meat is about 80% done now. I'll add the pumpkin seed paste. I'll stir to break some of the lumps so it won't be too lumpy. Cover and leave it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll stir. If the lumps are too much, you can break the lumps at this point. I'll add the dried fish, blended crayfish, and stir. I'll cover and leave it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. I'll be using spinach for this recipe. You can use any vegetable of your choice. The spinach is washed already. I'll cut off the stem and slice it. Next, I'll give the soup a nice stir, taste it, adjust the season if needed. Add the vegetables and stir. At this point, my kitchen smells divine. I wish you can perceive the delicious aroma that is coming out of my kitchen. I'll leave the vegetable to cook for 2 minutes and the soup is ready. I'll turn off the stove. You can serve with any swallow of your choice. I'm having it with semo. This soup was very, very delicious. You won't be able to tell that this is not egusi soup. Will you be giving it a try? Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed and I will see you in my next video. Bye!